So one of the most common explanations I get from first responders about their lower back injuries is they hurt it while picking something up. Now, a lot of times when you're picking something up on the job, it's never something, sturdy or simple. It's usually like, oh, you have to pick up a body, or you have to pick up a large object, something that's just not normal. And so what I want to go over today is a sumo deadlift. And the reason why I want to do a sumo deadlift instead of a conventional deadlift is it's going to allow you to learn how to properly approach, whether it's a body or an awkward object, to get you in the best sound position to help protect your lower back for the next time when you have to go lift something. So when getting ready to set up for a sumo squat, we want to make sure we have a couple of things in position so that way we can do the lift safely. So first thing as I approach the bar, I'm going to just kind of approach in a neutral stance here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come out in a much wider stance, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and actually have my toes kind of roughly around 45 degrees, maybe slightly more forward. Just kind of allow my hips to kind of open up so that way they can drop into the pocket as I get set. Once I'm here, I want to make sure the bar is in about even line with the middle of my foot here, if not even closer to my shin, okay? Once we're set here, I got my feet set in the ground. I actually just like to go ahead and just let my arms relax on my thighs because this is going to allow me to put myself in the correct position for when I go to grab the bar. Then I go ahead and just go straight down, make contact with the bar, and then I will go ahead and drop into the pocket here. Once we get into that pocket, there's a couple things we want to make sure we do. One, we want to make sure we're keeping our core tight. We have a nice straight back from our shoulders down to our hips. After that, I like to pretend that I'm trying to bend the bar and trying to lock my lats into place so that way I prevent my upper back from arching as I get ready to do the lift. Nice and tall, hands relaxed, bring them straight down into my grip. Nice good grip here, drop my hips in the pocket. I'm going to lock my lats into place, squeeze my glutes, raise the bar straight up. Okay, keeping the hips nice and tight, and then slow and control, straight down, again, keeping my chest and head up. When we're doing this, we want to make sure we're starting off with lightweight, just to get the mechanics down. Again, especially if you're rehabbing a lower back injury, or you're just trying to regain strength in that area, definitely best to start off with lighter weight, low reps, and then as you continue to get better, slowly progress to heavier loads.